Welcome to our case study on smart packing stations and optimized operations. Learn how Niotek boosted productivity by 40% in high-volume citrus export. A leading facility partnered with Niotek to become a data-driven smart factory. The results included a 40% productivity boost and a 25% reduction in spoilage with zero deployment downtime. Before implementation, the facility faced invisible losses. These included operational blind spots from unrecorded micro-stoppages and cold chain instability, which resulted in 25% to 30% post-harvest waste. There was also a reactive culture leading to unplanned peak season shutdowns. Niotek deployed a unified Industrial IoT Connectivity Platform, referred to as the digital brain, using a non-invasive approach. Key features include real-time sync to eliminate bottlenecks, predictive reliability through high-frequency sampling, and a unified dashboard for real-time OEE calculation. The project achieved a proven return on investment in just 4 months. Throughput increased by 40%, and the spoilage rate was reduced by 25%. This was achieved by stabilizing cycle times and ensuring precise cooling monitoring. Niotek's core philosophy is that true efficiency comes from making current assets smarter, not just faster. This is achieved by maximizing overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, which is availability times performance times quality, extracting every unit of value from existing production lines. The world-class operational intelligence provided by Niotek means you are not just purchasing a system, you are securing the integrity of your product from the farm to the shipping container. Ready to optimize? Transform your export operations with Niotek. Contact us via phone or email, visit our website, or request an assessment.